Just wait a minute for some people to get on here today. We're down at the showroom here in Brownsburg. I just wanted to show everybody how far we've come, and if you're going to come down to the showroom, what you'll be seeing and things like that. So anyways, Joe's out there. He's spraying the dandelions, it looks like. We're right by Mishler Plumbing here in Brownsburg, right across the deal from them here. Here's our area. So I just want to give you a quick tour, see what we've done so far. So when you walk in, I don't remember if anybody remembers what this used to look like, but basically it was these brick walls everywhere. So anyways, what we did is we basically built a working bathroom so that you can see basically what your bathroom would look like when we come to do it. We use the alternative flooring. You can see that. Looks like tile. I feel it's better than tile. It's got a lifetime guarantee on it. It's easier to clean than tile, and of course it's warmer on your feet than what tile would actually be. We use the Toto toilet normally when we do a remodel, and then we use the Panasonic Whisper Quiet vent fan, which is on right now and you can't even hardly hear it. And then of course here we have a vanity top. We're not completely done with everything obviously, but I just want to get you an idea. That's a oval or a sink. And then we have a slate shower here. So what I mean by slate is it's slate walls. The color of the wall is actually moonstone, but you can see it's got a slate texture to it, which a lot of people like. I myself do as well, just because it seems like it's easier to clean. And then we have a bench seat back here. And then we have the door, which is really neat. A lot of people don't know this about our door, but what it is it's a fully frameless door. So you got a hinge there and a hinge there. And the door can push in, so you can walk into the shower like that. Or you can pull it out like that. So it's a really neat feature that a lot of people like. If you don't have the room to pull it out, you can push it in. And then on this side, we have a stationary piece of glass that just sits there. So this is, like I said, this is our working bathroom. I should say almost working bathroom, because we need a shower head there yet, and we need some faucets there yet. We're gonna get a different vanity, tidy things up a little bit. So this is kind of our bigger area. What we have here is our flooring samples for the Alterna flooring that we sell. And we also have still Armstrong, but it's a waterproof. Looks like, obviously, like the normal planks that you put in your house, the vinyl ones or whatever, but this stuff is actually waterproof. Works really well in the bathroom or maybe in a basement or something like that. Here is, now this is a matte finished vanity top. So what I mean obviously by matte is there's no gloss to it. It's just a matte finish. It's an Olympic bowl is what that's called. And it's actually seamless. You can see that here. It's seamless. There's no seam there at all. It's not an undermount sink or anything. And then over here we have the Atlantic bowl. So this is a 49-inch top sitting on a 48-inch vanity. If you don't have room for, say, like 2 sinks, some people do this. You can see there's a faucet there and a faucet there. Enough room for 2 people to get in there if they need to. This is one of our newer vanity tops. It's in a pepper color. It's a new color that Onyx came out with a while back. This is the wave ball. And then this is the Venetian bowl. They look very similar. One's got edges and one doesn't. If you can see the difference here. This is just kind of flows in there, and then over here it's got a really sharp edge. Not a sharp edge, just more of an edge. Right here is where our Forza Stone shower that we have out in the back room there, we're going to put right there. We have an Onyx base here. It's an Onyx ramp base. So you can, if you have a wheelchair or something that you need to get in your shower with, you can go right up that ramp. Again, this is going to be our Forza Stone panels that we'll use. And then eventually we will have another shower over in that corner. Another vanity top that we carry. This is still the Onyx product, but it's the Eclipse bowl. This is actually 1.5 inches thick. And then here's just another room that we have with our Alterna flooring that we use from Armstrong. It's on a different pattern. It's like a diamond pattern. This room here is going to probably be for, we're probably going to set up a TV and stuff there with, you know, some kind of game system. So if you have any kids or whatever and you need to come down and look at colors and flooring samples and all that, your kids can go in this room and horse around in there, I guess you'd say. And then back here this is kind of our color sample room is what it is. So you can see we have about 60 different colors that you can come and see. There's tons of different colors. So you can just pick out whatever colors you want. If you can't come to the showroom, you know, we bring out our smaller chip samples to you. We can bring out some smaller floor samples as well. We just got a desk yesterday put in here. This will be where receptionist lady will sit down the road. There is Greg's refrigerator that was necessary to put in here. Very, very necessary. That's really about it. I can take in the back room. Show you some more shower samples, basically. This is our showers. These are the showers in the back room that we take to the show. When you come out to the home shows, these are what you see generally. This is the smooth finished wall. Really smooth. That's a Liberty tall recessed caddy. You got the Liberty seat, Diamond Liberty. That's the bigger of the seats. A grab bar. There's a Diamond extra tall corner caddy, and then a foot shelf. And then this is the full height base. So it's about 4 inches tall. This one's got a tile break in it. Put 2 lights in it, and then we have the crown molding, the bigger crown molding actually there. So this is the tile look. So obviously it's similar to a tile look, but it's not actually tile. It's actually just one big piece. And then we did a break of Onyx material. Did the same thing up here. We did the crown molding, a couple lights, the rain type shower head, and then we did a whatever there. And then this one's got a seat. And this one is a low profile base. So that one's a lot shorter. It's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. This is another one that we did. Obviously, it's all the same color. Sandstone is what this is called. Again, it's smooth walls. That's a Pearl caddy is what they call that, the Pearl Series caddy. What that is it's just rounded in the front. You can see it's kind of got roundness to it. That's the only difference between that and the other one. There's another Pearl one. There's a Pearl 18-inch seat. So if you would need a little bit smaller of a seat with a smaller shower, we can do that too. This is a corner shower. That's in the slate finish. You can see if you look on the wall there how it's got a little bit of texture to it. I know it's kind of hard to see, but. And then of course we did the tile break in there as well. That's got a full height base. And you can see the difference between, you know, if you two-tone, I always call this two-tone. So the base and the seat and the caddy is one color and your walls are another color. Kind of gives it a little bit of a different look compared to just a all one solid color. You can do it either way. Cost is the same, it doesn't matter. And then also we have the subway tile look. So it looks like subway tile, but again it's not, it's just one big continuous piece. And then that's the Liberty, the shorter caddy, another recessed caddy, and then there's one that goes on the back there as well. And then this is where basically we put everything, all the jobs and everything, extra tile, caddies. This is actually the Forza stone, which I don't know. This is actually our real stone walls that we use sometimes. Kind of get an idea what that looks like. And that's about it. So anyway, I'm gonna take you back out here again into the front room. So that's about it for today. I think I'm going to sign off here and call it good. If there's any questions, just feel free to call us. Our number is 317-456-4567. We can come out and give you a free quote. I don't charge for that. If you want to come down here, our address is 3816 North State Road 267 here in Brownsburg, Indiana. So just give us a call and we can set up a time for you to come out and look at all the colors and stuff. Like I said, tons of different colors to look at, so feel free to give us a call. Thanks.